Robin Padilla and Mariel Padilla recently took their daughters to Europe. On Instagram, Mariel showed moments taken from her family Parisian getaway, where they visited spots like the Eiffel Tower and Disneyland Paris. The family of four enjoyed a magical stay in the French capital and enjoyed the chilly wintertime. Back in November, Mariel flew to Hong Kong with more than 40 of her relatives including her daughters Isabella and Gabriela, husband Robin, and his daughter Kylie Padilla. Their family had a blast exploring Disneyland Hong Kong. Robin and Mariel Padilla are in Paris, France. Daughters Maria Isabella and Maria Gabriela Padilla joined their parents for the trip. The Eiffel Tower is always a sight to see. Night out Mariel with daughters Isabella and Gabriela. Shop The girls visited a classy dress shop in Paris. Isabella Mariel with her firstborn, Isabella. Bare-faced Mariel no makeup look is gorgeous. Travel Mariel and Robin romantic Paris getaway is a dream come true. Parisian Mariel in her Parisian look. Family Mariel and her daughters in matching winter coats.